Concept 3, graphing linear functions. So when you are starting with a function in equation form, okay, to check whether it is a linear function, you just put it into standard form. Okay, standard form has both variables on one side. So if I'm going to move this 3x over, I'm going to subtract 3x, and I have a negative 3x plus y equals a negative 2. Okay, that's standard form. Doesn't matter that I have these negative signs here. I don't have any exponents. I don't have any square roots. I don't have any absolute values. My variables aren't the denominator in a fraction, so I'm in good shape. Okay, this is a standard form equation, so it is a linear function. All right. I'm going to go back to my original, and I'm going to fill in a table. Okay, I can choose whichever values for x I want. You got to use at least 3, and the ones I almost always suggest are -1, 0, and 1. Okay, they're going to be the easiest ones to figure out quickly, and they'll give you both sides of the y-axis and whatever point your y-intercept is. So when x is 0, your y value is the y-intercept. So having those 3 values is really good. Gives you the best picture for what your graph is going to look like, or what your function is going to look like. Okay, so -1, 3 times -1 minus 2. 3 times -1 is -3, minus 2 will be -5. 3 times 0, well, I know that's going to be 0, minus 2, -2. 1 times 3, or 3 times 1, minus 2 is going to be 1. And from here, it's easy for me to see, okay, I've got an increase of 1, increase of 1, increase of 3, increase of 3. Yeah, this is definitely a linear function. Okay, if I wasn't quite sure from just putting it into standard notation, filling out a table and checking to see that your values change consistently is another way. And then from there I can just graph it. So when x is -1, y is -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When x is 0, y is -2. And when x is 1, y is 1. And there we go. I've got my 3 points, and I can make a graph based on these, and we'll see if I can get it relatively straight. And remember, because this is a linear equation, it should go on forever till infinity.